Hello everyone, here is DIY bookmark. So how to make this? Let's see. This is the bookmark, friends. So this way it is. So let's make this. For this we need stickers. I have drawn it already, so we will cut this one. Okay. This one we have to cut. So this I have cut the sticker. So you want the how to make this with stickers, the full video, so please tell in comment and like, share and subscribe my channel. So I have cut the sticker. Now you can use a strip of a paper. Now this is paper and cut this. This way we have to cut it, and we are going to paste it on the back. Okay. So friends, this way I have pasted. Okay. So you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.